Hello?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's yours?
David.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure. It's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
How long have you been here?
3 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too.
David, this is my friend, Mrs. Sarah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mrs. Sarah, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh. Where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Where?
At a high school in California.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 35.
David, do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the US?
3 weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes. I went there once on a business trip.
David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.